Welcome back to SRC. It's Space Week.
And we'll be reading The Darkest Dark by astronaut Chris Hadfield.
And we'll be making these cardboard tube rocket ships. Let's get started.
Today we'll be reading The Darkest Dark by astronaut Chris Hadfield. And this book is illustrated by the Fan Brothers and published by Tundra Books. If you'd like to listen to The Darkest Dark, click on the link in the description below.
Hey guys, welcome back to Space Week. Today we are making cardboard tube shuttles. Let's blast off.
First, we're going to start off by painting either our paper towel roll cut in half or our toilet paper roll white, and then allowing sufficient time to dry. Once that is painted, these are the resources that you will need for the craft. You'll need that painted paper towel or toilet paper roll. You'll need cardstock or thin cardboard, tissue paper, markers, a glue gun, an X-Acto knife, but be careful, scissors, and tape. So first you're going to start by sealing one end of the toilet paper or paper towel roll to make the nose for the space shuttle. Then you're going to trace out the rounded triangle shape that we have given you as a template, and then cut it out of either your cardstock or cardboard. Next, you're going to design your space shuttle. So I did stars here, but you could do whatever you would like on your space shuttle. Then we are going to cut out the spot where our pilot is going to sit in our toilet paper roll or paper towel roll. So you're going to need adult supervision or help for this part, and please be careful. And then you're going to design this part of the space shuttle where your pilot will sit. So we had a little Lego guy hanging around, so we thought that we would add Lego to our craft and make it look like there is an astronaut in our space shuttle. But if you don't have to, you don't need to do this step. So then we are going to use hot glue, and we're going to glue that tube onto our space shuttle. Like so. Next, you're going to use tissue paper and turn it into a point, and then add glue to the inside of the tube to make it look like the rocket is blasting off. So we're adding yellow, orange, and red to make it look like a flame, but if you don't have those colors, you can use whatever you have at home. And we will continue until we have enough tissue paper. And then we kind of cut off some of the excess tissue paper. But you don't need to do this step if you don't want to.
We're all done our cardboard tube shuttles. Have fun! Thanks for tuning in!